Financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about aligning your spiritual values with your financial goals. This journey of 108 days is designed to help you explore the legacy and impact of spiritual alignment in achieving true financial freedom. Neuroscience reveals that peace enhances clarity and reduces stress hormones like cortisol. By seeking first the kingdom, as Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 suggests, all other things will naturally fall into place, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Consider whether your pursuit of wealth is truly aligned with your values. Is freedom about accumulating dollars or fulfilling your destiny? Reflect on how giving more can lead to greater alignment and fulfillment. Transform your mindset from chasing money to seeking alignment. More alignment leads to more overflow, attracting success and provision naturally. Choose peace, and let it guide your path to abundance. Take action by writing your personal kingdom wealth mission statement. Reflect on how your financial decisions can align with your divine purpose. Affirm your commitment to being in divine alignment with abundance. Join the journey towards financial freedom through spiritual alignment. Engage with the community by commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Embrace the overflow that comes from true alignment and support the mission at raiseupnation.org.